Welcome to our video on 5 romantic things to do at Niagara Falls. Whether you're planning a honeymoon or just looking for a romantic getaway, Niagara Falls is the perfect destination. With its stunning views and endless romantic activities, you're sure to have a trip to remember. One of the most popular romantic activities at Niagara Falls is taking a boat tour. You'll get up close and personal with the falls as you take a tour on the Maid of the Mist or the Hornblower Niagara Cruise. Enjoy a romantic walk along the Niagara River, holding hands while taking in the views of the falls. You can also enjoy a picnic by the river and watch the sunset. Niagara Falls is home to many excellent restaurants. Experience a truly romantic dinner while looking out at the falls. Some popular options include the Skylon Tower, Windows by Jamie Kennedy, and the Rainbow Room by Massimo Capra. Relax and rejuvenate at one of many couples spas. Enjoy a massage or take a dip in the hot tub while taking in the views. For a truly romantic experience, take a helicopter tour and enjoy the stunning scenery. You'll get a bird's eye view of the falls and the surrounding area. It's a great way to end a perfect day. These are just a few of the many romantic things to do. Whether you're planning a honeymoon or just looking for a romantic getaway, this is the perfect destination for you and your loved ones. Don't forget to capture the memories by taking lots of pictures and videos. Thanks for watching.